For this video, I'll be discussing on the order of operations. So if multiplication, division, powers, or exponents, addition, and so on are all contained in one problem, the order of operations is as follows. So this will be the order of operation. First one is you're going to operate first the terms or numbers inside the parentheses. So this one, number one. Second one, the next in line is exponents. So after the parentheses, you're going to operate the exponents. Then the third one is you're going to operate multiplication. Fourth one is division. So whichever comes first from left to right. And the last two will be addition and subtraction. Again, whichever comes first from left to right. So the order of operation is given by the acronym Pemdas. So Pemdas. So parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. So let's have some examples here. For number one, 8 plus 5 times 2. So if we're going to apply the order of operations Pemdas, you're going to have first 5 times 2 because you're going to have multiplication and division first before addition or subtraction. So we're going to have this one as 5 times 2 first. So this will be equal to, copy first 8, then 5 times 2 is 10, so plus 10. So 8 plus 10, this will be equal to 18. Then number 2, 7 plus 2 times 8 plus 8 squared minus 5 plus 2 times 3. So applying Pemdas, we're going to have first the parentheses. So we're going to operate this one first. So this one is 5 plus 2, that will be 7. So just copy first 7 plus 2 times 8 plus 8 squared minus 5 plus 2 is 7, then times 3. Then after the parenthesis is exponent, so we're going to operate next this one, 8 squared. So 8 squared is 64, so we're going to have 7 plus 2 times 8, then plus 8 squared is 64 minus 7 times 3. Next is multiplication or division. So since there's no division, we're going to have first multiplication. So we're going to have here 2 times 8 and negative 7 times 3. So 2 times 8 is 16, so 7 plus 16, then plus 64. The negative 7 times 3 is negative 21 or minus 21. Then operating from left to right, so we're going to have 7 plus 16, this will be 23, then plus 64 is 87, then minus 21, that will be 66. So the answer for number 2 is 66. Then number 3, quantity of 4 plus 2 squared minus 5 times 3 plus 9 divided by 3. So we're going to operate first parentheses. So we're going to have first 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So we're going to have this one as 6. Then we're going to square. Then minus 5 times 3 plus 9 divided by 3. Then you're going to have next the exponent. 6 squared is 36. Then minus 5 times 3. Then plus 9 divided by 3. Then we're going to have multiplication and division. So we're going to have 36. Then negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. Then 9 divided by 3 is 3. So plus 3. Then 36 minus 15 is 21. Then plus 3, that will be 24. So again, the order of operations is given by the acronym Pemdas. So parentheses, exponent, multiplication or division, whichever comes first from left to right. Then addition and subtraction, whichever comes first from left to right. So I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.